Here we are, Master Coach Aaron Guyett. Battle ropes benefit number 24 can help improve muscle recruitment. So, as I've talked about before, this is great for kinetic training, great to help improve movement patterning, right, from a nervous level. And nervous, right, that is all part of the muscle recruitment. So if I'm trying to engage the abdominals, then what I can tell the client is, I want you to stay as vertical as possible, sink your hips down as much as possible, and I'm going to get total vertical core. So from the pelvic floor all the way up to my neck and out to my shoulders, including my scapula, including my erectors, including all of the muscles in my back, all the muscles in my abdominal region, right? And so here I've got a little bit of muscle recruitment going on in the vertical core. And then if I make it speed up, if I don't engage, right, and get that good muscle recruitment in my vertical core, I'm not going to be able to produce the high speed movements on these alternating wave movements throughout that rope from and out of my upper body. So that helps with that muscle recruitment. So if let's say I'm going to do deadlift, right, and I really need to establish strong vertical core, I might do not only some vertical wave hip hinge type stuff, and then, okay, more power, more speed, more power, more speed, and really have to forcefully engage that vertical core, and maybe even do some variable type movement where I'm going side to side, and faster, 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 really engage, right, and then alternating waves, really engage, and then go and do my deadlift. So I'm not going to the point of fatigue, I'm going to the point of accelerate, improving my muscle recruitment, and then I go and step on and pound out that deadlift. Right now, obviously, we're going to also want to scale up on the deadlift too, which is going to help with muscle recruitment. But this is a great tool to improve that muscle recruitment. Enjoy, make your next one your best one.